not in.
Back up.
I'm not in your way, man.
You need to back up, Jack.
I'm within my rights, right here. I am.
You need to back away from what we're doing. We are doing an investigation.
Okay.
Step back, please.
I'm not in y'all's way.
Step back, please.
Or
Welcome back to the San Joaquin Valley Transparency Channel. If you're watching for the first time, then welcome to the First Amendment auditing movement. We hope our videos will inspire you to help us create change and how policing is done in America and hopefully throughout the world. One thing we do understand is that you don't create change without movement. And when you sit too comfortably in a sedentary position, movement will become uncomfortable. If we'd been teaching the Constitution properly to law enforcement, public servants, kids in school, and students in universities, we wouldn't be in the mess we're in now. If police were trained properly, we wouldn't have videos like this, where an officer gets in a man's face for recording the traffic stop. You guys go subscribe to Blue Line Whistleblower, let him know I sent you. Check out how he handles this officer who gets up in his face. This guy doesn't back down. All right, folks, here's your video.
I'm not in y'all's way.
You don't need to be in our investigation.
I'm not
You need
in.
to back up.
I'm not in your way, man.
You need to back up, Jack.
I'm within my rights, right here. I am.
You need to back away from what we're doing. We are doing an investigation.
Okay.
Step back, please.
I'm not in y'all's way.
Step back, please.
Or
I'm asking you politely, man. Why
Well,
do you gotta be a dick?
why do I gotta be a dick? You're the one.
I'm asking you to
You're-
step away from
you're
our
get-
investigation. You're getting too close.
Okay, I'm declining. Are you trying to block my
No.
view? Okay.
He's conducting an investigation.
Okay,
I have
that's
to watch
fine.
you because it's a safety concern, Jack.
Okay, well, watch me. Y'all know I ain't gonna do nothing. Even an asshole like you, if I seen you in trouble and during some traffic stop, I'd have your back too.
I understand, man. But if you back up 5 feet, I will let you film all day long.
I'm
But
supposed-
I just want you to back
I'm
up.
supposed to be able to be close enough to hear audio and video. And audio.
Jay.
Yeah.
You know we let you around all the time.
Yeah.
We
But
don't let you ride on top of our stuff any time of the
I know when
never,
I can't.
okay? I'm not trying to be mean
Well,
to
I'm
you.
gonna be a lot closer from now on. I'm just telling y'all that.
Why?
Because I gotta hear what's going on. I gotta see what's going on.
You know that people are out trying to hurt us at stuff. That's why we don't like people right up on top of us.
Okay, well, like I said, y'all know I ain't gonna hurt y'all.
We don't know that, Jack.
Yeah, y'all should know by now.
Should and will is two different things, man. Like, that's all I'm asking. 5 more feet, and you can stand here and film all day long.
We move around to the other side, but I mean, I'd be at about where that post is by the gas pump.
I mean, yeah,
It should be
even
the
over there
same.
by your car, you can get the whole thing from over there.
No, I can't. I can't hear what's going on.
Okay, stay right there, man. Don't come no closer.
As long as I'm out of y'all's way. This dude's gonna go to jail.
Hey guys, when I started my channel, there wasn't very many channels like mine recording police. Some of the channels that were out there were very aggressive, but some other channels that were out there were real biased. They were always for the police. The police could do no wrongdoing. And there's many channels out there like that right now. Mike the Cop and several other channels. I don't even care to mention their names. And frankly, to be honest, I don't even remember. I'm just so busy with the work that I do, trying to present to you guys the truth of what I see. We understand that policing is necessary, but not all the time. One thing we've discovered on this channel is that police officers do not know and understand the First Amendment, and many folks don't either. The elements of the First Amendment will let public officials know that they cannot overstep the boundaries of your human rights. But if you don't even know what those boundaries are, how do you know how to stop them and when to stop them? Cops will always ask you for ID, sometimes under the threat of arrest, and a lot of you guys just give it up. This empowers the bad officer. When you guys know your rights and stand up for yourselves, you make it better for the next person because you guys will put the cop's ego in check. A lot of times these cops get a little bit of power and they begin to have a thirst. You guys always have your phones ready. Record the police when you get a chance. Ask questions. You know it's not illegal to ask questions, right? You guys know you have a freedom of speech out there. That's part of the First Amendment. To record and document is part of the First Amendment, and that falls under the freedom of press. With that being said, thank you guys for tuning in. We will see you on the next video. If you have any videos that you want us to look at, send it to recordpolicenow@gmail.com. Let us know if you want to stay anonymous or if you want us to help your channels grow. That's what we do, and we do it better than anybody else in this community. That's because we really want to see it grow. All right, guys, we'll see you on the next video. Peace.